are some free traffic sources that you can use to grow your Amazon business? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some really great ones. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you grow your business, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or comments or feedback, comment below and I'll answer it personally for you. With that being said, let's go. What are the most effective free traffic source websites and apps we could use to promote our online listings? You tell me, guys, in the things, if you've seen any good ones. I'll give you some ideas. So what are the best websites that you can promote your products on Amazon for free? Okay, so I will start by saying that most things that are free are crap. And they are free for a reason. Traffic is in and of itself useless to have. What you want is targeted traffic. It's no good just having hundreds of people come into your listing who've got no interest in buying it. You'll actually do more harm than good by doing that. So you want to get targeted traffic, okay? That's super important. And the thing with free traffic is it's crap. Usually speaking, it's not very good. That's why it's free, okay? Having said that, there are some websites like catch.com.au which are very good and can be used for launching your product, liquidating your product. The people who use Catch are brutal. And so if you've got thin skin about you, your product, or anything else, don't use it. They're brutal. They will brutalize you and your product, but you'll still make sales, but they're pretty brutal. So if you can't handle that, don't use it, all right? The other one, which is really good, this is now the 3% of all traffic to Amazon.com.au that originates in Australia comes from this website, which is interesting, yeah? 3%. Doesn't sound like much, but actually, when you think that there's 47 million people going to Amazon.com.au a month, 3% of that traffic comes from here. That's a lot. So it's at au.bestdeals.today. Okay, au.bestdeals.today. Blah blah blah. There you go. That's that link. 3% of the traffic. That's from SimilarWeb. Okay, so we know that that's accurate. Then the other free traffic source I would suggest you do is there's two ways to do this. There's the nicey way, and then there's the hacky way. So let me show you the nicey way. The nicey way is you would set up your own groups that target people that are going to use your product. Okay, so this is a group that it's called Oodles of Australia. Naturally, I'm interested in that group because I'm just about to, with you, go into business selling to these kind of people. Okay, so I could have set up my own Oodles of Australia group and let that get organic traffic and let it grow organically, and then at the right time I could tell people about my oodle food, and that would be free traffic, okay? And it's also quite targeted because I've done a good job, hopefully, of the initial phases of that, all right? That takes time. You're probably thinking that takes forever. Isn't there a way, Neil, that we can just hack our way into that? And the answer to that is, of course there is. Here's how you do it. So there's a little known function on Facebook where if you get your own page for your business and then join a group as your page and then look at what the group does and make a video that you post and host on your own page. You find a group with your market. You join that group as your Facebook page, not as an individual. You join the group as your Facebook page. You then, in the group, you post a video on your page and post a link in the group for your page video, okay? And then people in the group will watch your video, and then You can target those people that watch your video using Facebook ads. Super, super cool. Not many people realize you can do that. But it's a really very, very cool strategy to use to ethically steal a group's traffic. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are over 2,500 members right here in Australia and growing. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own Amazon business, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link's in the chat, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.